Be strong.
Tinder. Hey Leah, have you ever tried Tinder?
Yes, I have. What about you?
I tried it too. But I didn't like it much.
Why not? I found it quite interesting.
I didn't like the people I was matched with. They didn't seem genuine.
That's understandable. But I found some nice people on there too.
Really? How did you make it work for you?
I made sure to put a lot of effort into my profile and swiped on people who I was genuinely interested in.
That's a good strategy. I didn't really think about it that way.
Yeah, and also make sure to be yourself and be honest in your profile and conversation.
That's a good point. I'll give it another try with that in mind.
Definitely. And remember, it's just a dating app, don't take it too seriously.
Right, I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for the advice.
No problem. Good luck with your Tinder journey.
Thanks, I'll need it.
Have you tried any other dating apps?
I tried Bumble, but I didn't have much luck there either.
Oh, I've heard good things about Bumble. Maybe you just didn't have the right matches.
Maybe. I'll keep trying different ones and see what works for me.
Yeah, it's all about finding what works best for you. And just have fun with it.
Definitely. I want to find someone who I can connect with and share interests with.
That's a great goal. And remember, it takes time, so be patient.
Yeah, I know. But I'm hopeful.
That's a good attitude. And always make sure to prioritize your own well-being and comfort in any dating scenario.
Absolutely. Safety first.
Exactly. And if someone isn't respectful or doesn't make you feel comfortable, don't hesitate to move on.
Good advice. I'll keep that in mind.
Great. And don't forget, it's all about finding someone who makes you happy and supports you.
Absolutely. That's what I'm looking for.
Well, I hope you find it. And remember, the right person will come at the right time.
Thanks, League. You're always such a good friend.
Thank you, Alex. You're the best too. And don't hesitate to talk to me about your dating experiences, I'm always here to listen.
I appreciate that. Thanks again.
Hey Alex, how's your day going?
Hi Leah, it's going great actually. I went on a date with someone I met on Tinder last night.
That's great. How was it?
It was really good. We had a lot in common and had a great conversation.
That's fantastic. Do you think you'll see her again?
Yeah, we already made plans for another date this weekend.
Wow, that's great. She must have made a good impression.
Definitely. And I have to say, following your advice really helped.
I'm so glad to hear that. I always knew you'd find someone great.
Thanks for being such a good friend and for always being there for me.
No problem, Alex. I'm happy for you. So, what are your thoughts about her?
I really like her. She's funny, smart, and kind. And we have a lot in common.
That sounds perfect. Keep me updated on how it goes.
I will. I'm excited to see where this goes.
Me too. Just make sure to take it slow and enjoy the process.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to rush into anything.
That's a wise decision. And remember, communication is key in any relationship.
Absolutely. I'll make sure to keep that in mind.
Great. And remember, I'm here if you need to talk or need any advice.
Thank you, League. You're the best.
Bye.